This is section 7.2. It's on the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to fill in the blank. The Pythagorean theorem says this. If you have a right triangle, then something squared plus something squared equals something else squared. Hopefully you know, we've done enough examples of this already. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That's where A and B are your legs and C is your hypotenuse. The converse of this Pythagorean theorem is what we're going to look at in this section. So remember what a converse is. If I would tell you this statement, if red then blue, the converse would be if blue then red. So here's your Pythagorean theorem. If it's a right triangle, then this is true. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Converse of that would be if this is true, then it's a right triangle. So that's how you're going to figure out if you have a right triangle or not. So using the converse of the Pythagorean theorem is what we're looking at here. Here's multiple choice. Which side lengths do not form a right triangle? 5, 12, 13. I know this is a triple. So it's definitely going to form a right triangle. You want which ones do not form a right triangle. 10, 24, 28. It looks like they're all divisible by 2. That gives you 5, 12, 14. 5, 12, 13 is a triple. What about 5, 12, 14? Is that a triple? I don't know. 15, 36, 39. If I divide those all by 3, I get the same triple that I had in option A, 5, 12, 13. This is a triple. It's a multiple of 3. That makes a right triangle. Likewise, this guy is a triple. 5, 12, 13 times 10 gives you 51, 21, 30. That's not a right triangle either. The only thing we're not sure about is this guy. 5, 12, 13 is a triple. 5, 12, 14, not going to be a triple. It's not on your triple list. Okay. How do you know for sure that's not a right triangle, though? Well, that's what we're going to talk about on the next slide. That's the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus 12 squared equals a number. 14 squared equals a number. Do these two numbers equal each other? Right? Well, 5, 12, 13 is a triple. That means 5 squared plus 12 squared is the same thing as 13 squared. And I know that 13 squared is 169. 14 squared, however, is 196. And if you don't know these numbers, it's okay. You can type it into your calculator. 169 does not equal 196, so this is not a right triangle. That's your answer. So the converse of the Pythagorean theorem is what we just used there. If a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then that triangle is a right triangle. Just make sure your a and your b are the smaller of the 3 side lengths, the 2 smallers. Make sure c is the biggest.